हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम अविनाश और आज की वीडियो में आई विल शेयर कंपनी वाइज डीएसए मटेरियल फॉर टॉप कंपनीज. Yes, and at last I will share the bonus resource which I have already shared but will share again, like complete LeetCode material where you will get everything curated on LeetCode discussion, like roadmap as well as interview questions as well as company wise questions. Okay, if you're new to this channel and you're looking for off campus placement, तो subscribe जरूर कर देना because you will get all the resources updates related to placement. You can check out previous resource where you will get DSA, resume related projects and startup list, everything you need for your placement preparation. Okay, now coming back to our video, so in this drive you will get company wise DSA material. Okay, here you can check Adobe interview questions or coding questions where it will tell you list of the questions which have been asked, and these will redirect you to the LeetCode where it's been there. So sum is very popular and it's been asked in most of the companies, and then you have add two numbers, merge to sorted. Okay, so these questions have been asked in Adobe, right? You have all the questions, you just have to go to LeetCode and practice. Okay, now another is for Amazon where you have a questions like hard to medium, critical connection network, number of islands. So here you have number of island problems. You can practice this question. You have reorder data in log files, routing oranges, LRU. So all these questions are for Amazon. Then you have again for Amazon multiple resources for big companies. Then you have Apple company wise question. Sum is asked in almost every company's subarray more. So similarly you have for Walmart, Facebook, previously Meta. Previously it was Facebook, now it's Meta, Goldman Sachs, Google, JP Morgan, LinkedIn. For LinkedIn you have as well LeetCode questions for Microsoft, and then you have for Twitter, Uber, VMware. Okay, go check it out. The link will be in the description. Now talking about the bonus resource, so here I have listed LeetCode resources like topics wise problems for beginners. So here you will get the topic wise questions curated for beginners. You can practice if you are a beginner. Similarly you have a guide where you will get everything on LeetCode. All the resources curated in a single discussion. Okay, सो रिसोर्स बहुत सारा है, बस आप कैसे यूज कर सकते हो इसको ये आपको देखना है. आप टाइमलाइन बनाओ, आप रोड मैप बनाओ और उसके साथ डेली प्रैक्टिस करो, बिकॉज एक दिन में कुछ भी नहीं होगा. आज पढ़ लिया 10 घंटे और कल बिल्कुल भी कुछ नहीं पढ़ा तो इट विल नेवर हेल्प. हैव अ कंसिस्टेंसी. जरूरी नहीं है कि आप 3-4 घंटे पढ़ो, 1 घंटे डेली पढ़ो, वो भी काफ़ी है. सो अभी से स्टार्ट कर दो अगर जो भी कोई प्लेसमेंट प्रिपेयर कर रहा है. ठीक है, आई विल शेयर रेगुलर प्लेसमेंट रिसोर्सेस. अगर अभी के लिए कुछ कोई रिसोर्स आपको चाहिए आप कमेंट कर सकते हो, मैं क्यूरेट करके आपको शेयर कर दूंगा. आई हैव ऑलरेडी शेयर्ड हेयर इन द कम्युनिटी पोस्ट, यू कैन चेक. आज ही मैंने एक शेयर किया था जिसमें आपको सारे क्यूरेटेड रिसोर्सेज ऐड किया हुआ है, लाइक ATS फ्रेंडली, कंप्लीट, फ्री DSA रिसोर्स, एप्टीट्यूड, CS फंडामेंटल, सिस्टम डिज़ाइन, प्रोजेक्ट, इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन, स्टार्टअप लिस्ट. सो इसका भी मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक ऐड कर दूंगा, चेक कर लेना. सो वीडियो हेल्पफुल रहा हो, Do like and subscribe and comment your views. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.